Welcome back, everyone. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Anyway, another day down. Got the wraparound for the hatches. Those are on order from Challenger, so it's just sitting in there now, but I will firm that up, probably screw from the back. So I do have some wood back behind there. I just have to screw it in. Routed out perfectly for the windows, so it fits. I built the part of the front cabinet, just a little design to put a little angle in going down away. So plan on putting speaker in there and then the speaker on the other side too, so like a 6.5-inch speaker. Give it a little room there. Back cabinet is coming along but far from finished, and back hatch is cut out as well. That's just kind of in there right now, but I'm gonna, when I build up the back galley, I'll screw that through, so it'll be fine. Trying to think what else I do today. Did a bunch of that. Did start the install of the heater, so that's fine. The only thing I got to do is I got to get a longer exhaust hose, so hopefully I can get that, the local Meineke or something like that. I'm sure it's not too crazy, but I'll get that, and that's all hooked up underneath here. Hopefully you guys can see. So I've used a high heat gasket, so it's in there, and then I'll just paint again in there. I'm using fence post paint. So I did if you look at an old video of mine, I did a temperature test of it. I think we should be all right. I don't think it needs much more clearance than that. I might put some tin snips in there, you know, or aluminum, like just to kind of keep the heat away, but I think that's coming along. Anyway, any questions, let me know. Looking forward to hopefully getting in the roof so I could, or the ceiling inside, so that way I could start putting, start doing the wiring. But I think if I finish the cabinets tomorrow, get that all taken care of, that'll be great, and start doing that. I did notch out a line there to match up along here, and that's going to go up here, and then I'll put the 1/8-inch plywood down below, and then the 3/4-inch to kind of do a galley. And I plan on putting a big igloo cooler down on this side, so it's going to take up most of the space on slides, but that'll be it. I'm not thinking of any sink or anything internally, and then I'm going to have a hot water heater here in a Pelican box on the outside, but it's coming along. So any questions, please don't hesitate. Any suggestions, please don't hesitate to make, and I'll update after tomorrow as well. So thanks a lot, and please subscribe.